Start with a sketch by clicking Create Sketch and then the X or bottom plane. Here I'll just scroll out and make a rough sketch of what I want the base of my door stopper to be or look like, starting with a flat edge and then a zigzag formation on the other side, making it roughly 100 millimeters or 4 inches. So click Finish, and now we'll make a plane at an angle. Select the blue or y-axis. It could be the x-axis. Drag that wheel around until you get to 15 degrees. If you want a steeper or a more shallow incline, adjust that number. Click the plane, then click New Sketch. And now kind of doing the same thing, but I'm going to give it a little bit of flair and kind of make it on the other side. So a flat edge, some zigzags, and come right back to that initial line. So now that I have two planes, you can see how this shape takes shape. I click S for search and then find the Loft feature. It's also under Create or Modify. Click both planes and click OK. Now just to round out some of these kind of harsh edges, I'm going to use the Fillet tool by pressing F on the keyboard. It's also under Modifier up in the toolbar. And then I'm just going to go around and choose the rest of my edges and give them all a shape. Now we're ready to send this to the printer, so we need to export it for 3D printing by clicking Tools, Make, and then 3D Print. The default settings are fine. I don't open in the 3D Print utility. You want to save it to your hard drive so that you can upload it to the Polar Cloud. Give it a name. Here, log into the Polar Cloud and then click Upload. Now I'll go find that file I just exported from Fusion 360 and click Upload. Let's go view the object. I will use the 3D viewer just to make sure everything looks good. It does, but I want it to look like a doorstop from my thumbnail, so I'll reposition it and click the camera icon to start a new snapshot file. Then I'll click 3D print and send to my school. So I'm choosing a random school. If you have multiple schools or in groups, you'll see them here. And then that's it. If I'm not printing the object, my teacher or print manager will take the object, slice it as shown, and make sure that everything looks good before sending to the printer. Here we're printing this doorstop we just designed in Fusion 360 on the FlashForge Adventurer 4, and the plate makes it so easy to get these parts off. And we're done.